Operating your Volvo's panoramic roof and sunblind is made simple with a touch-sensitive control in the roof panel. Using this control, your panoramic roof can be placed into fully open or ventilation modes. To open, swipe once backwards towards you over the control to open the sunblind to its fully open position. Swipe backwards a second time over the control to open the panoramic roof to its comfort position. Swipe backwards a third time over the control panel to open the panoramic roof to its fully open position. To close, swipe forward towards the windshield once to close the panoramic roof. Swipe forward towards the windshield twice over the control to close the panoramic roof and the sunshade. Utilizing the ventilation function is just as easy. To open in ventilation mode, tap once anywhere on the touch-sensitive control. When the ventilation position is selected, the front glass panel is raised at its rear edge. If the sunblind is fully closed when ventilation position is selected, it will open automatically by approximately 2 inches. The sunblind follows automatically if the panoramic roof is closed from ventilation position. Always ensure that the panoramic roof is properly closed after closing.